Good morning बच्चों. We will derive the Nernst equation in this session. We know that Nernst equation is given by cell potential E cell equal to E naught cell minus RT upon NF ln of Q. यहाँ पर E cell जो है this is the cell potential developed by electrochemical cell at some condition other than non-standard condition, that is when temperature is not equal to 25 degrees Celsius or 298 Kelvin and concentration in the half cells is not equal to standard concentration of 1 molar. और E naught cell जो है that is at standard condition जो हमारा cell potential होगा that is E naught cell that is at temperature of 25 degrees Celsius and concentration in both the half cells should be 1 molar. Okay, then temperature is the absolute temperature in Kelvin and N is the number of moles of electrons involved in the balanced redox reaction. F is the Faraday's constant, which is nothing but the charge on 1 mole of electrons, and its value is 96,500 coulomb per mole of electron. And Q is the reaction quotient at any instant of time, that is nothing but प्रोडक्ट कंसंट्रेशन डिवाइडेड बाय रिएक्टेंट कंसंट्रेशन. तो इस इक्वेशन को हमें डराइव करना है. सो वी स्टार्ट विद द थर्मोडायनेमिकल इक्वेशन दैट इज डेल्टा जी इक्वल टू डेल्टा जी नॉट प्लस आर टी एल एन क्यू. अब जो डेल्टा जी है फॉर इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल इज माइनस एन एफ ई सेल. Okay, because NF gives the total charge, number of moles of electrons multiplied by charge on 1 mole of electron is the total charge transferred in the electrochemical cell, and E cell is the cell potential. And negative sign is given because this electrical work is done by the cell or by the system. That is why we have taken negative sign. Okay, this is nothing but the electrical work done by the cell at non-standard condition. And delta G naught we can write as minus NF E naught cell, that is at standard conditions when concentrations in both the half cells is 1 molar and temperature is 298 Kelvin. So इसमें हम ये वैल्यू रख देते हैं. So we will get minus NF E cell equal to minus NF E naught cell plus RT ln Q. ओके, अभी हम दोनों तरफ जो है डिवाइड कर देंगे बाई माइनस NF. सो वी गेट E सेल इक्वल टू E naught cell minus RT upon NF ln of Q, and this is the equation which we have written at the top, that is the required Nernst equation to find the EMF of the cell at any non-standard condition, that is when the concentration is not equal to 1 molar in one or both of the half cells and the temperature is not equal to 298 Kelvin, or it can be any other value. तो अभी हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. नाउ वी विल सिंप्लीफाई दिस इक्वेशन, दैट इज नर्स्ट इक्वेशन, बिकॉज नॉर्मली वी कंसीडर द टेम्परेचर एज द रूम टेम्परेचर ऑफ 298 Kelvin. ओके, एंड Faraday's constant we can write 96,500 coulomb per mole of electrons, and now R is nothing but ideal gas constant, which is nothing but 8.314 जूल पर मोल केल्विन. तो अगर हम ये वैल्यूज इसमें रख देते हैं, सो वी विल गेट E cell equal to E naught cell minus RT upon NF. So by putting these values we will get minus 0.059 upon N ln of, sorry, this will become log of Q. So we have converted ln to log by multiplying with 2.303. So we get this simplified form of Nernst equation, which is valid at 298 Kelvin. Okay. So at equilibrium, we know that this equation will change to, at equilibrium, E cell will be 0. So this equation will become, and Q will be equal to equilibrium constant. So this equation will become E naught cell equal to 0.059 upon n log of equilibrium constant K. So this is at equilibrium. Thank you and wish you all the best.